I have to make some reports for Reno.
Yeah. Many things.
Yung sa food feeding, make sure na talagang properly.
So how is the program going? Are you on TV
yeah.
or radio? What is it?
Coordinated
My
sa
radio
barangay.
is perfect.
Just
Very successful.
radio?
Yeah, radio.
Every day?
No, every Saturday.
Every Saturday. What
Yeah.
about the other days? You was on TV or something?
Yes. We're gonna start probably next month.
That is TV.
Yes, April
TV
6th.
every day?
TV, no. Yeah, that's gonna be a daily program. So
How can you do
that's,
TV every day?
I
It's a
know.
lot of work.
That's a lot of work. Plus, of course, that's a lot of driving, going back and forth.
But a lot of preparation.
A lot of preparation. So
You have to be so creative.
I know. So I have to go and find all these politicians or business people to be able to maintain this.
It's a big challenge.
Well, that's the only way, I guess.
To expand your horizon.
Yeah, right.
So it's good with this radio program.
Yeah,
What are you talking about then?
Well, about Better Globe.
Only Better Globe? You must talk about something else, I hope.
Well, sometimes, we put a little bit of what's happening to me, like showbiz or whatever, some shows or whatever. So, you just come up with whatever,
Well, I made a health and wealth seminar.
Okay,
You can
that's good.
look at.
Okay.
Sorry.
Mamili ka na, kuya.
I'm gonna go briefly through it. You don't have to read everything, but you get the brief
Right.
description.
Okay.
You see the connection. I already hold
Mango shake.
part of this seminar for some people. You can then give it. I have to do it maybe myself the first time, and then they can do it themselves.
Okay.
But they will work under your paraply, your umbrella. Okay,
Okay.
not under mine. I just start this process with you, and you take it over.
Okay. Good.
Okay? It will not be my
That's cute. That's a cute little boy.
boy.
How is he now?
He's okay, but
Uh-huh.
I miss him sometimes.
Automatic siya pag furnace.
Yeah, I know. So, when are you gonna see him again?
Maybe I talk to Rina about that. So we go back into the Easter because that's a long holiday. So maybe
Are you going back?
I
When?
talked to him about Easter because
When's the Easter?
Easter is the middle of April.
Oh, okay.
That is many free days. So maybe I
Right.
should go back then.
No, you should.
Because that's the smartest way to do it. Then you
Okay.
save time. Most effective.
Right. That's true.
And what I add to the presentation of Better Globe, as I just showed you first. That is I sent to Reno, so he should go through it. If he like it or not like it, up to him. I said to him.
Okay.
iPad.
So, you've already sent it to him?
Basta bahay.
This is what I put on extra. Why buy hardwood trees? For personal reasons. Nobody asks for money when you buy trees, especially in the Philippines. If you are traveling abroad, you're saving money, then you're saving trees. Nobody can say, if you have a saving in the bank, they can ask you to take the money out for emergency reasons, But here, if you have the money in trees, you cannot take the money out. You just get the interest. So your Philippine friends, family, relatives cannot take your money.
Right.
Because
That's
they
true.
need it. So you have protected your money that way. Trees are protecting your money
Right.
from family, relatives, and everybody else who wants your money, neighbors. Okay? Especially if you're an OFW.
Okay.
Then an OFW is sending money home. They're saving trees. And then the family say, you have some savings? Well, I don't have any savings. If I have savings, I have a saving tree. I cannot take it out. Securing the future. This is secure as the bank. Please well, of course. This is just a summary. Let me take something away. This is all the reasons. Lower cooling cost. To have trees, increase of air pollution, captures water. Boost the market value of your house. This is just common things to have trees. Actually, landscaping with trees can increase your property value 20%. Cooling effect of one tree is like 10 air conditioners. I want to take something. I think I take it. But we have from before. This we had before. This we can take away. Demand is bigger than supply. We can take away.
So, are you going to include this to the presentation that we already have?
I think maybe we can add it.
Added? Oh, yeah.
Only add it.
Okay.
But that's up to you and Reno, okay? I think it takes something.
Right. So I thought that, to encourage them to really help, you know, for example, like because I told Reno that we have to use my Mystica Charity Foundation for them to be able to help, but they don't know because they don't know that, you know, this is the only charity system that, you know, they can that they can get an interest out of it. I want to focus more on that. You know.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll just put this here so you can see.
Yeah, that's fine. You can actually send that to my email.
So
Is
you
that
can
okay?
use what you want. Okay?
Right. I can just get, you know, whatever is really the most important to explain to them. Really.
But this is more about money.
Right.
11% the income tax. So this is the security thing. Some of this. You can take what out that you want and add.
Yeah, that's
because
true.
you're the presenter yourself.
Yeah, that's true.
And this is also something I said before. For the people who think long, short term, you know, maybe they can say we give a certificate to somebody, like train them at a call center agent, we tell them English, learn occupation, for some of their family to do something here. You can just read it. But something.
Okay. So did you have a training already about this to other people?
Well, I have training for call center already, you know that.
Oh, okay.
Before.
Have you already used this?
No, I never used this.
This
is it must be improved.
It must
be.
Okay.
It must be you and Reno who decide. You say this according to the Globe or not, of course. And I said to Reno, I don't care if you do it or not. This is just an idea to get Philippines to think they get money earlier. It's only in a way they get services like money. So there I can say if I plant 24 trees, I can take one of my family, relatives or whatever and train them as an agent so they can get money. Okay, then that's why they get money, the family.
Yeah, so we can use that for the people that you get, you know, but not the people like that I meet. I don't think they're really.
No, I
that,
think more
you
for
know.
OFW.
Yeah.
So instead in OFW,
Right, that's
go
true,
abroad,
yeah.
they can say, okay, one of my family can be a call center agent.
That's true.
Then I know
yeah.
I don't have to support everything myself. It's more like that. One can go to better English, maybe they can go to do something with that. So tell like that. Okay.
Whatever happened to Marla? So about her people and stuff.
She has been with me to Malate last week.
Okay.
And we talked to a guy who had more than 200 OFW for training every day.
Okay.
And they are interested to cooperate with us.
Okay.
So it's up to us. And she can get a lot. Well, we can train 1,000 people a day.
Oh, tita, kumusta? Konnichiwa.
I think we can train maybe many thousand people a day after all if you get enough contacts like that. They're already very interested.
Okay. So the question is, when do you think we can get those people?
In a couple of weeks we can start.
Yeah. So we can get started with this.
What we'll do is every time an OFW is going abroad,
Right.
whatever country, we teach them how about the culture that they have programmed for already. So we just implement that in our program.
Right.
And we teach them about how to take care of their health and the mental being and so on, and also how to take care of the money, so they increase their money and not come home like broke. And the trees will be a part of it, but also how to save, how to cut expenses, and so on and so on. That is a part of it.
Right, that's fine.
And also that you can help somebody in their family to get an education or get a work like this. That is also some part of it. That's a reason for them to buy plant trees also.
Okay.
And also to secure their savings. Nobody can ask for the money all the time. Because trees is one of the best way to secure the savings. Because if you put 100,000 pesos in the bank in 2 years, and then somebody in the family say for the emergency, you have to send money for this and this and this, and you take your savings out and you lost everything and you come home broke. But what you do here is we just give a health and wealth seminar to barangays, to OFW, to churches. The strategy is this for churches. We only ask the pastor to take the most people that is affluent with them and gather many pastors with their businessmen. And they go to health and wealth seminar. Okay, they bring these people together with other pastors to a seminar, and then we give a speech for 50 or 100 people.
Right.
Okay, to donate to this.
Yeah, and we should encourage them that to be able to be a member. So at least they should at least donate 1,000 pesos to be a member.
Yeah.
You know.
And they should donate.
And then that membership will actually validate them to go to that betterglobe.com and log in that they have actually donated, and at the same time they are a member.
Yeah.
So the aid code would be their membership number. So at least they feel that we are actually members here because it's actually logged in right there with their names.
Yes, yes.
So that's what we're gonna tell them.
And of course, all pastors should buy one tree before they ask the members to come.
Right, that's true.
That is a prerequisite.
So that's what we should encourage them to be a member, and to qualify to be a member of Mystica Charity Foundation, they should at least donate 1,000 pesos. And that will qualify them to have one gift certificate.
Yes.
It's because that's what I've been telling them, you know.
Okay.
Gift certificate, because it shows there anyway, gift certificate, meaning this is a reward because you were so generous enough to donate.
Yeah.
And that's the reason why you have a gift certificate saying that you are actually you are later on rewarded with 12.25 times. So that's the way, you know, that's what I was telling to everybody.
It's okay. This is the health program. Basic for wealth is health.
Okay.
So just take it very easy. I don't take it. It took a long time with this one. So this is about stress, for instance. Take away stress.
Yeah, that's very
antioxidants. Effects on the antioxidants. Something about minerals. Minerals for transporting your vitamins around the body, like that.
Right.
Proteins, how you use it. Fiber for your stomach. Eliminate bad habits.
Yes, I agree to that because that's really something that everyone has to know.
Yeah.
Smoking, alcohol, too much alcohol. You did say alcohol, too much.
Too much? Yeah, alcohol is good in small dosages. So that's why I say too much.
Okay. Too much alcohol, lack of sleep, chemical abuse. Chemical abuse meaning the shabu, drugs. Lack of sleep. I always have lack of sleep, medicine, overweight. Oh, I shouldn't be overweight. Coffee. I always drink coffee.
A little bit coffee is okay.
Okay, drinking soft drinks. Oh my gosh. Are you trying to stop me or whatever? Use artificial sweeteners. Why? Artificial
Are very
sweeteners.
bad. They have been proven to have a lot of
They said
cancer
that
because
cancerous.
of that.
Yeah, that's what they've been
Especially
saying.
brain
It's
cancer.
cancerous. Okay, eating too much meat. Oh my goodness, eating
It's
too
very
much
hard
meat.
for your digestion. You get
That's
stomach
true,
that is very hard because if you don't
Eating
eat a
junk
lot of
food.
vegetables,
Allah, eating junk food. Eating things with chemical substances.
you have too many E's, you know. You see E's everywhere on the thing, then you see.
Wait, chemical
many-
substances like what?
Yeah, all kind of E's, you know, added preservatives.
Preservatives?
All
Okay.
canned goods.
Yeah, too many preservatives.
Okay.
in the system.
Working too hard.
Yeah, you wear out your immune system if you work too hard, right? You get easily sick.
Not chewing your food. Yeah, you'll definitely die if you don't chew your
If
food.
you don't chew your food, you don't get enzymes to your food. It's hard to
Constipation, that's
digest.
my problem. Constipation, that's why I always use that tea. Because I'm used to that tea, so I don't know why. Hurrying your meals. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's good. I like that. More health tip. Eat organic food, more minerals and vitamins. So now they have to go to the organic, oh my goodness. They are so expensive.
But organic have 70 minerals per one. Normal food has only 7 times. It's 90% more minerals.
All right. Use herbs. Herbs or herbs?
Herbs.
Herbs. Use herbs as an extra ingredient in
And you
food.
can buy a lot of herbs and put in the food and mix.
Yeah.
So you
Get a
lot of
multivitamin. Well, yeah, you are a good example of multivitamin. He takes at least 20 vitamins, multivitamins
And herbs.
a day, and herbs. No wonder why you get all those things, you know, the whatever they use,
All the spices.
all the spices. Those are herbs, right?
Yeah.
Increase intake of omega-3. What is omega-3?
That is for your blood to make your blood thin. So you don't get so easy a problem with the heart and so.
Omega-3.
Eat more fruits and vegetables raw.
Raw.
Avoid genetic food.
Yeah, we don't know what they're doing with our genes or DNA. We don't know. It's just an experiment.
Genetic food.
Yeah.
What is genetic food?
Genetic food is the food they mix with a banana with a fish gene or something like that.
Oh,
Yeah, they
okay.
do like that.
Okay,
So
okay,
smart.
okay.
This is about this one. And then have a seminar that is going to about write yourself,